Okay, in this video, we're going to solve this problem right here, and we're going to use inverse matrix to do so. I'm assuming you already know how to use the inverse matrix to solve a system of equation. If you don't, I recommend watching the video in the description box first. So I'm going to say matrix A is equal to our coefficients, 4, 2, 1, negative 2. So we have 4, 2, 1, negative 2. And matrix X is equal to our variable, which is X and Y. And matrix B is equal to our answer, 9 and 1. Now we're going to take matrix A and multiply by matrix X, and this is going to equal matrix B. Let's think about this. 4 times X plus 2 times Y gives you 9, which matches this. Likewise, 1 times X minus 2 times y, so negative 2y, matches, is equal to 1. And so we want to get this piece by itself. Normally, you would say divide by a, divide by a. But the thing is, you can't divide matrices. And so what we have to do instead is use the inverse matrix. So I'm going to put the inverse matrix A times matrix A times matrix X is equal to. I put this piece on the left. I have to also put it onto the right. So the inverse matrix A times matrix B. Now the inverse matrix A times matrix A, they essentially cancel out. You get an identity matrix, but for our part, they cancel out. So we'll say matrix X is equal to the inverse matrix A times matrix B. Now, in order to calculate the inverse matrix, it's going to equal 1 divided by the determinant of matrix A times the adjugate of matrix A, and the determinant can't equal to 0. And so let's calculate the determinant of matrix A. And this is going to equal, we take 4, we multiply by negative 2, we get negative 8. Then we say minus, 2 times 1 is 2, so minus 2 is equal to negative 10. That's this piece right here. And the adjugate of matrix A, that's not going to be that bad. So let's just put it together, and from there we'll deal with the adjugate of matrix A. So matrix X is equal to the inverse matrix, which we said 1 divided by the determinant. So 1 divided by negative 10. Now times the adjugate. So let's do that. And then, again, that's not bad. All we're going to do is we're going to switch 4 and negative 2. We're going to switch them out. So it's going to be negative 2 and 4. This diagonal you just switch. Now this diagonal you flip the sign. So this is positive 1, make it negative 1. This is positive 2, make it negative 2. And now we're going to multiply by matrix B. And matrix B, we have it here, 9 and 1. So we're going to keep our negative 1/10, and now we're going to multiply these two matrices. So negative 2 times 9 will give us negative 18. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Likewise, negative 1 times 9 is negative 9. And 4 times 1 is 4. So let's continue it. So again, negative 1/10. Negative 18 minus 2 is negative 20. Negative 9 plus 4 will give us negative 5. And negative 1/10 times negative 20 will give us 2. Likewise, negative 1/10 times negative 5 will give us 1/2. And so this 2 corresponds to X, 1/2 corresponds to Y. So our final answer is X is equal to 2 and Y is equal to 1/2. And again, we're going to verify this. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 1/2 is 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. That's correct. Likewise, 2 minus 2 times 1/2 is 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. That's correct. And if you want more practice, check out the description box for more videos.